Friends, Running Kimono here. So I did get out to Walgreens and there is an avalanche of clearance with deals, with store coupons, and so on and so forth, making a lot of this stuff very cheap, including 4 cents L'Oreal Elvive, everybody's favorite shampoo. So before we get into this, if you could please show this video a lot of love, give it a big thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Because yeah, this is a crazy video. Okay, so first thing this morning, I was talking about the 50% off that was showing in the Walgreens app. And yes, a lot of stores have them at the same price online to in-store. And you were looking for the blueberry, the peach, or this one with the chamomile. It's a select sort of fancier scents of this body wash. It's not every single one, either the men's or the women's, and it's part of a promotion that when you buy 3, you get back a $6 register reward, and we have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon. So make sure you have it loaded for this deal. So grabbing 3 of these, it's $14.97 at $4.99 each. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $8.97, getting back a $6 register reward, making it $2.97 for the 3 or 99 cents per body wash. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I will let you guys know I tested the deal. It worked beautifully for me. Here is my register reward. And yeah, what a great deal to get these body washes for 99 cents. That's an unheard of price point. So if you can scurry out to the store and track this down, and if you want to try and do it with the men's, look for the ones that are tagged, that are on clearance, that are part of this. Give it a whirl, because this is just an absolutely super deal. And I will also let you guys know, when I was in the store, I got these to print, and they are the paper boosters. One of my cards doesn't really get a ton of boosters, but the other one does. But the one card that doesn't, I tend to get a lot of paper boosters on it. So just be mindful of that. You punch in your phone number, it might print, it might not. But it did when I picked up the Dove. Now, this is the deal I think everybody should do at least once if you can swing it. It is to grab the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, priced at $6.29. We currently have a 3 off of 2 store coupon, plus there is like their beauty event this weekend. It only goes on for a couple of days. The beauty coupon is coming off $4 for each shampoo. So that is fantastic. Here is what it looks like. Now, you either have a beauty counter at your store where you can grab this or ask the beauty advisor for it, or possibly you could show the cashier a screenshot of this. Just grab a screenshot and then scan it off your phone. 50/50 shot they'll allow the scan off of your phone, but if they do, you'll get $8 off. You kind of need them to scan it. So maybe look for a store with a beauty counter in your area, and you will know if these coupons ever show up. And then this is the digital that you also need to load with this deal. And then you're also going to go over to IBOTTA and load this, which is $1.50 back, a limit of 1 time for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. So stacking these 3, I mean, the shampoo is almost free. And I'm just going to jog you through this if you want to try it the one time. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $12.58. Subtracting that 3 off 2 store coupon and the beauty coupon from your beauty counter or a screenshot, whatever you can do, that's $8 off. You're going to pay $1.58. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. It makes it 8 cents for the 2 or 4 cents per shampoo, which is like a tremendous deal. So I would move on this one ASAP. Answer a quick question. Yes, I did grab 10 sets, and that $4 coupon applied to all 10 units that I got. So if you wanted to grab more than just the 2, that 3 off of 2 store, and then that $4 will apply to all of them. I would go and do this. Your store is either going to get cleared, or that $4 coupon will stop working on these $6 bottles. Just my prediction. Quickly going to go through some other deals if you can track down this clearance. And even if it's not tagged at your store, some of these visuals of what I'm showing you, if you can get the cashier to maybe give you a price check, it might be on clearance, because one store wasn't even tagged and everything was on clearance, which was weird. So these larger body washes are $5.99. Buy two, get back a $5 register reward. This is the digital coupon that we're working with, which is a 5 off of 3. Grabbing 3 of these body washes at $5.99, it's $17.97. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $12.97. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $7.97 for the 3 or $2.65 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I just want to go back to that L'Oreal Elvive quickly just to talk about that. If you were going to do that in a booster deal, you're juggling with like $11 of store coupons and like $1.59. Don't do that deal with the booster because it is so confusing. Unless you have a PhD in mathematics, it'll be a hard one to juggle. Fancier Olays, they're called Super Serum. I don't think they were very popular. They're 50% off at $7.49. $5 reward when you purchase 2. It's on the same promotion as the last deal, so don't do these in the same transaction or only one $5 register reward will print. You're going to load your best friend, the 7 off of 2. 2 Olay Fancies for $14.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're getting back $7.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per fancy. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. In the hand soap aisle, you're going to look for this friend, the Dove Sensitive. It is $2.99. This store, it was full price, and then I couldn't find it in stock at any other store. We have a $2 digital coupon, making this hand soap 99 cents if you can track it down. Unfortunately, I had no luck, and this happens. It's always your mileage may vary. What's happening in New Hampshire might not be happening in Michigan, but Texas and Michigan might be the same. It's always a juggling act. The Safeguard hand soap is on clearance for $3.79. Buy one, get one 50% off as well, part of the promotion, and a $2 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $5.68. No coupons to go with this one. You're going to get $2 back register reward, making it $3.68 for the 2 or $1.84. These containers have a good amount of hand soap in them. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down to earn that register reward. Going to show you guys a couple more clearance items I was finding, including that Old Spice that's on the same promotion of buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and those are priced at $4.99. And you have Superman, the larger Dove for $6.99. Unfortunately, no coupons to go with. We have a lot of Dove bar soap. And I believe the bar soap is part of the promotion of buy 3 get a register reward, or buy 3 get a $6 register reward, but it's a lot more expensive. So I mean, if you wanted to test it out, and let us know in the comments down below. And special shout out and thank you to all the shoppers who shared, yes, it's working, and I'm in Kentucky or I'm in Maine, all the people who shared intel, because I wasn't sure if that body wash deal was working earlier this morning, but a lot of you came through with information. So I just wanted to thank you guys for being so awesome. And then this larger Dove body wash, I wish it had a much better coupon, but it doesn't. It's $6.99. I don't believe this is part of the buy 3 get a $6 register reward, but it's $6.99. I'm going to leave it at the store. Maybe it'll be 69 cents one day for me. And then if you need a sweet treat, that Dubai chocolate at 50% off. You might want to check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Get out to the store soon. This stuff is going to get cleared very quickly because it's such a hot deal. Bye, guys.